LED round snap-in license, utility light. Works with 12-volt systems. Offers a bright light that won't give off heat, hooded to reduce glare. Durable, high-impact chrome-plated resin housing for long-lasting use. Easy to install, snaps into 1-1/4 diameter hole. The Blazer B165 LED round snap-in license light is designed to conform to applicable US FM VSS 108 and Canadian CM VSS safety standards and meet DOT requirements for license lighting. This 12 volts accessory is also ideal for courtesy or instruments lights. 2 lights are legally required when used for license plate illumination. LED technology draws significantly lower power than traditional incandescent lighting, and the long-life LED lamps do not require bulb changes, giving you years of maintenance-free service. The chrome-plated light snaps into a 1-1/4 diameter hole for easy installation. Top reviews from the United States. Very bright. These exactly matched the old units I replaced. The old ones were incandescent bulb type and weren't bright at all. These are sturdy, exactl size replacements, and are very bright. Perfect.